a pendulum oscillates with the time period t. The string used in the pendulum is stretchable. The point to which it is attached is given positive charge and the bob is also given positive charge q. The time period of the pendulum will. So here the pendulum is not a ordinary pendulum. The thing that is different is the bob is given a positive charge as well as the support or the point of suspension is also given a positive charge. Okay, so these two positive charge will repel each other, correct? So as a result, this bob, let the mass of the bob be m, this bob will feel a repulsive force in this direction, correct? And here the string is stretchable, correct? Let's say the length of the string is L. So see, as the bob will feel a repulsive force, so what will happen? The string will be stretched, correct? The string will be stretched up to the maximum possible length, correct? Then what will happen? So we see here that due to the positive charges on the support and the bob, the length will be increased. And from the formula of the time period of the pendulum, we have t is equal to 2 pi root L by g, where L is the length of the string and g is the acceleration due to gravity, correct? So here our L is increasing, correct? As L is increasing, the time period will also increase. So our option 1 will be correct. The time period of the pendulum will increase.